Flight operations at Imphal International Airport were temporarily halted this afternoon after a drone was spotted near the airport. An Indigo flight from Agartala to Imphal reportedly drone around 2 p.m. on its final approach at an altitude of 3,600 to 4,000 feet. Airport authorities suspended operations as a precautionary measure. Officials stated that the normal operations resumed only after obtaining security clearance from the state police. SP of Imphal West, Shivakanta, urged the public not to fly drones near the airport, adding that if anybody knows of drone activity between Sanjenthong and Kwakaithel, to inform immediately as it affects flight movement. The airport has issued an advisory warning against flying drones in Imphal East, Imphal West, Nambol and Bishnupur districts. Authorities stress that unauthorized drone activity can endanger aircraft and trigger temporary airport closures, causing inconvenience to the passengers. Airport authority added that ensuring safety and security of passengers and aircraft remains the highest priority, as such violators will face strict legal actions.